Today I'm going to be showing off the psvita view screen of death. So I keep crashing my videos, so I figured I may as well show this off. So on test kit only on test kit. This doesn't happen on any other consoles. It doesn't happen on dev kit or retails, even Kickstarter X. So you'll see if I push the up button, I can scroll up through this output yard. So I get to the bottom. If I push down, I have to push it over and over again. I can't just hold it down. Yep, and if I push circle, I push square, it takes me to the top. If I push circle, it takes me to the bottom. Triangle takes me to triangle takes me up a little bit. X takes me down a little bit. Another thing is I can push these R buttons. I push L2, for example. It'll switch to a user and output. So this is the output from user mode. And I can't seem to scroll up. Actually, no, this isn't the output from user mode. This is a core dump, actually, I think. Yeah. For sure, again, this is a kernel stack backtrace. This is where the kernel was. This is where the user was when it crashed. So it was in MKXP, IMGO, and then SCE, GPU ES for user. And then, okay, yeah, here, this here is, I think, is this the other one? No, this is still kernel output. Well, anyway, you can switch between, like, 3 different views that show different things. Kernel stack backtrace, user stack backtrace, some outputs, but I think this is kernel output, it's not, like, user and output. And then this here is, a core dump. So, yeah, and you can switch between those, and if you push select, you get this option, cross to cancel, select cancel, start, reboot, and generate kernel dump, and standby will just turn it off. If you push start, nothing happens, so we're going to do that. I'm going to hit start, and there we go. Now it's going to reboot, and it's going to generate core dump, so it'll take a while to boot up. There'll be a core dump in the data folder, and yeah, that's the bsod screen. It's pretty simple. Again, if the crash reveal to get it, I just happen to have a bug right now that's constantly crashing my video, so it's kind of helpful for showing this off. But yeah, see ya.